friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Ravencoin. What's the current price of the Ravencoin and what's the price since occur in the Ravencoin, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very urgent warning of the Ravencoin. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new on my channel, click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways, let's start the video and let's move on. The currently at this time price of the Ravencoin in the market is 0.130498 USD dollar is the current price of the Ravencoin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Ravencoin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the Ravencoin as going negative friends. That's mean that the whole changes occur in the Ravencoin as going down friends. Oh my god, absolutely, I am really shocked to see this kind of prices occur in the Ravencoin. Now at this time in the market, the Dogecoin, the Cardano, and especially the Shibano token Kesho is moving very fastly in the market, but Ravencoin completely falls down. That's really bad news. Anyways, let's move on and let's continue the video. Let's see the price chart of the Ravencoin. Absolutely, this is a good news, but the price change is still negative friends. As you can see here, at this time in the last 1 day, the Ravencoin is trying to take a jump friends, and as you can see here, they also taken a very good jump, but unfortunately the price change is in negative friends. So I hope as you can see here, if we zoom the price chart of the last 1 day, sorry, last 1 hour, so as you can see here in the last 1 hour they again falls down friends. So I hope that this falls is a temporary falls and they again start jump. That's my prediction about Ravencoin. A lot of chances to they take a jump because the Ravencoin is also in a previous time falls down occur, so now it's time to take a jump friends. Anyways, I feel the prices occur in the Ravencoin, so negative 1.02% prices occur in the Ravencoin, and the highest price is 0.133904 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ravencoin in the last 1 day and the 24-hour friends. My personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for all of my viewers who's holding a Ravencoin, that it's time to hold Ravencoin. I know at this time the pricing is negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is negative. If you decide to sell the Ravencoin in this time, so absolutely you are in the loss, because at this time the price change is in negative friends. So absolutely you are in the loss. And if you hold Ravencoin, so maybe there's a lot of chances to they again take a jump in the future. As you know, we can't say about the future, so maybe they again take a jump and maybe they again falls down, but we have to think positive, and that is why I'm telling you that a lot of chances to they again take a jump. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Ravencoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe if you stay channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.